So here we are, the WLTOYS V950. Is it any good? I suppose most importantly, is it any good for novices? I'm a beginner heli pilot trying to learn the ropes, and I thought this sized helicopter would be good. It was cheap and affordable and would be easier to spot in the sky. But one thing I found out right from the get-go, day one, is it's fragile. If it takes a knock or a bang, something gets broken. I've already gone through all 3 servos had to be replaced. The boom has snapped. It seems to be fragile. So let's put it up in the air and see what you think. There we go. As easy as that, and your shaft can get busted. I'll try that one more time. There is a slope which isn't helping, but I actually had this tuned earlier today. The wind is moving around here, to be fair. There we go. So, I'm in stabilized mode here at the minute, as you can tell. Good enough response to throttle, open it up. Oops, okay, didn't like that. Nor did I. So, as I said, it's capable and it's steady. Very light breeze there today. I'm in high rate stabilized. Bring it down. My boom is twisted at the back there, so you know that's probably accounting for some problems, but that's nice and controllable. I am on the sticks. Small bit. So let's funk it up a bit. Now unfortunately switching between modes means you have to let go of your thumb on the right hand side, which is a bit of a pity because for those moments it is out of control. So plenty of height. But the controls are there. Yeah? Snappy, responsive. Extra noise there, free of charge. Flip. No problem. Bring it a bit closer. Sorry, I know it's hard to see. It's just, this is one plane that if you crash it, you're out of action till you get spare parts. It's such a bummer. A quick flip. No bother. Try invert. I really can't hope to have a bailout with the... No, come around. That was full collective. See? So I went inverted, and even with full negative pitch, fully down, she was descending. So that's a problem. And then she went into her little spin, whirly whirly. I did manage to flick her back there to the stabilized mode, but didn't do much. Now this is where I expect significant damage. On the face of it, it looks okay. This is the best crash I've had yet. Okay. Very, very surprisingly. Shaft could be twisted now, so I'm going to find out in 1 second, and if it is, the game's over for today. You're left waiting a few weeks to get a replacement shaft. I've straightened that a few times. I don't know how many more times it will take a straightening out. Are we able to take off from here? Rattle, rattle. Let's go straight up and see how we get on. There's a lot of noise. God, she sounds like a tractor. And this is the regret, you know. You just have to be so gentle with it, so careful. That takes them the fun. It's like you end up just sort of committing to, she's slowing, oh Jesus. I was on full throttle up. See? Okay, so look, we're back to would I recommend this helicopter. I think you know by now. I absolutely wouldn't recommend it for anybody, because I'm a novice and clearly I'm surely making stupid mistakes or just regular mistakes, and I'm no different to any other novice, so in my hands it's a disaster. And in the hands of a capable pilot, would they bother with this helicopter? They probably wouldn't, because they would look for a more responsive helicopter. There's fantastic OMP M1s and M2s. Oh, what a dream. They are fantastic helicopters to fly. As almost trouble-free. Here we go. Oh, this is electrified. I've fried myself a few times. It's not a big deal, but you don't want it. But do you want this crap going on all the time? And what a shame, because I put a good bit of money into this. I bought the whole full thing with this radio and 4 batteries. I'd say this is the most flight time I've gotten today. And now for some reason she just decides she don't want to fly no more. So look, I hope you found this video interesting. I'd love to know what other people think of it. In my hands it just hasn't worked, and I think it's going to be one of those helicopters that just ends up being put up in the shelf. It would look good, and what a shame. What an absolute shame. I would have liked for it to fly well. You like the size, I like the sound of the blades when the pitch changes, but it's just stupid, all of this. If a helicopter can't stay up in the air, you're left saying to yourself, well, jeepers, if it can't even stay up and a full throttle up. That battery is fine, I checked it. There's plenty of juice in it. Look at the... There's a saying in these parts of the world, you know, when a DIY job is done badly, they say, Uncle Padjo hung a picture. Meaning he didn't do a very good job of hanging it, and this is another Uncle Padjo job. All servos replaced. Guys, it's not worth it. Okay, Dave from RC Pilot signing out. Till the next time, all the best. Okay, threw out a new battery in case I was the battery. Here it goes again. You just never know whether it's going to fly or not, or crash or not. It's just... Let's play the game. Get up, would ya? Don't go up. She won't go up. Right, someone needs to send a memo to V950. You're supposed to fly. So there's a debug button here, okay, that does a bit of that. And they say that you can press that button sometimes in the air to help sort out the altitude. I don't know, is it a type of gyro reset or something that maybe might help? It's like... Knock it off, try it again. Come on, Betsy. Oh, Jesus. You can see where that's going. Excuse the language. See, she'll tip, shaft twists. Game over. I'll try to get her up. She's definitely unstabilized. Yeah, she loves over there. Anywhere except on the helipad. Wow, twisting the, see? Go on. Go on. No. Why don't you want to? Oh, talk about self-destruct. See, I've gone through this. I'm not just recklessly doing this. I've experienced this so many times over and tried to fix the problem. Try to fly out. I'll try without. Hey, this is hilarious. I'm going to try flying out without the gyro. Oh, she really wants to go, doesn't she? That's probably my fault. Stand clear, everybody. Full throttle. Get up! Get up! That's full throttle. Idle up. Betsy, knock it off. I don't want to destroy it, but yippee-ki-yay.